Today we are going to discuss Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center. This database gives helpful information about hundreds of craft types, giving you information and overviews to get started. It also has access to free patterns as well. To get there, we are going to go to lanepl.org. Then, under the Research tab, select Databases. Then click here on Databases Alphabetical, and under H is where you will find the Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center. This is the main page. You can browse by category. If you want to see everything they offer, click on View All Topics. There is information for everything from crocheting to beer making. You can click on any of these topics to get started. So let's go to Needle Crafts and Textiles, and let's click on crochet. And let's say that we wanted to look up patterns to make a blanket. So we will click on Pillows and Throws. A lot of these results will also have images with them, so you can easily browse through them. You can click on any image and it will open up in a larger pop-up window. You can always filter by subject and publication on the left side menu here. So if we wanted to look at Afghans, under subject, we can check mark where it says Afghans. You can either click on any title to get more information about this source, or you can click on the PDF full text to download the article. If we click on the title here, we can also click the PDF full text over here on the side. And this gives you the pattern for this blanket. And every PDF you find is able to be downloaded here, and you're also able to print it right here. You can always go back to the result list by clicking Result List in the upper left corner. And if you wanted to go all the way back to the main page, all you have to do is click on this Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center logo. And this concludes our overview of Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to contact your local branch and we would be happy to assist you.